Hello everyone! Today's the day. I will finally rearrange the setup of my balcony. So you have quite a good view of what my balcony looks like at the moment, but I got this beautiful deck chair and I would like to place it somewhere, but at the moment there doesn't seem to be enough space for it. So yeah, I will change the setup somehow and make the deck chair fit, and while I'm at it I'm also gonna do some bits and bobs here and there. So join me on this journey of rearranging. While I'm at it, I can give you a brief tour of my balcony and some of the things that I need to change. So we have this big pot with the beautiful snapdragons that are currently in full bloom. The tomato plant, which is a little bit too big for this particular spot, but I'm gonna move the pot in such a way that this tomato plant is over there, because this smaller tomato plant, which is actually made for balconies, which already has a few pretty tomatoes, I thought it was going to be bigger, but yeah, so I will essentially just swap these two tomato plants. Then the deck chair, as I mentioned. I also have two pots that I can fill with even more tomatoes and even more like snapdragons. Yeah, these two tomato plants are also too big for the place, so I need to find a better area for these, a better spot for these tomato plants. Really loving this caramel heuchera though. Great color. Yeah, I was quite a big fan of this arrangement of pots and plants, but yeah, I will need to change something about it because it looks a little bit of a mess, especially with the Dusty Miller and again a tomato plant going over my Levicia cotyledons. Yeah, something I really can't change are these three clematis. My clematis the President, which is also really pretty, how it's climbing along the post. I have another clematis over here, and then my clematis here. So that's something I really can't change. I would like to place the deck chair though in this corner, which kind of leaves me with the problem that I have to find a new spot for these chairs that my aunt gave me. Yeah, so let's see what I'm gonna do. Okay, step one, the most important thing is done. This is where I would like to have my deck chair, but now I just need to place a few pots on the right and left of the deck chair to make it look a little nicer and a little bit more wild around the deck chair. Step one is done. Yeah, so I placed the deck chair and now we have plants around the deck chair, and I really like this tiered look of the pots and the plants. So we have a little bit of height in this corner with the grass, then the osteospermum, the very big heuchera, my Levicia cotyledons, and then some sempervivums and sedums. Yeah, and I placed the biggest tomato plant that I have in the back, and I think that's going to be quite nice. This wonderful pop of purple from my heuchera, and then this yellow accent osteospermum plant. Yeah, really happy with step one. And now probably the most tricky part of this whole endeavor is placing the chairs. I'm thinking of placing them on the right hand side here, but I kind of I need to ensure that it will look like a uniform look, that it will all tie in together. So yeah, I will just check it out and place it here and there, and if I like it, then I will keep them there. So I think the biggest chunk of the work has been done. I placed all the plants and potted the plants that I had left, the pots that I had left. Some minor details that I still need to do are, for example, these spent heuchera blooms. I mean, if you look in more detail, those are fresh heuchera blooms. I will definitely keep them, but others, the one behind, for example, they are spent, and I will cut them off, and also with the heuchera there in the background and the heuchera here, and I think then I will be done. Those are the cut heuchera blooms, and what a difference this makes. This looks so much fresher. Also with this heuchera. Yeah, really enjoy this result. And here we have it, the final result. So I turned this pot so that the tomato plant the large tomato plant is in the corner. Then I rearranged a couple of pots. I still wanted to have these islands, so that I had to walk my way through the balcony. As you can see, I removed one of the chairs. It just was too much. So now I have one chair here with a table. But the most important difference is this seating area with a deck chair, and I think that's kind of the biggest and most beautiful difference on the balcony. Really looking forward to sitting there. Okay, this is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you preferred my previous balcony or my newly arranged balcony. I really enjoy my new seating area, and will make plenty of use of it this summer. See you soon. Bye bye.